To fix Gmail not receiving emails, scroll down to the bottom of your mailbox. Look for your Google storage usage. If you are at the limit, then simply open a new tab. Here you need to type Google One Storage Management and press enter and open Google Storage Management. Scroll down. You will see some information in here. You simply need to delete unnecessary files. You could see the option like large Gmail attachment, Google Drive files, Google Photo, Gmail trash, and few other things. You simply need to delete unnecessary files you could find in large Gmail attachments. Once you delete it, then wait for storage calculation to update. Afterwards, simply click on Compose and send yourself a test email to check if this helps you to fix your problem. If that does not work for you, then you can check the spam folder. In my case, I can see the spam folder here. You could have more option. Simply click on that more option and you can able to access spam folder. Click on it. Find the missing email in here. Simply click on it and open it. You will see option like report not spam. Select that option and move that email to your inbox. Simply press and hold that email and move it to inbox. If you are searching all emails in your Gmail account, not just your inbox, then first you can click on all mail and you can see the list of information in here. Either you can do one more thing, click in search and type in semicolon anywhere. If you want to add sender email address or a keyword from the missing email, then you have to type the same thing, then give a space, type from semicolon and type the email address in here. Or either you can simply type the keyword by typing like Amazon and you can see that email address you have just received. Hopefully this will help you out to fix your issue. If you're still facing the same problem, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.